everyone. We are from RY57 and will present about our car wash event. Management is defined as the ability of an organization and coordination of the activities handling a business in order to achieve defined objectives. In order to fulfill the requirement in management subject of university, a program has been held to educate students the ability of handling a program and promoting the events held to the customers. The events had been held on 16th of November 2018 from 9 AM to 5 PM. It is being held at Uniciti Alam, SG Chachu and involved 22 students in a group. All the students involved has been divided into several departments in order to minimize the project. There are 4 main objectives achieved. 1. To provide students with current management knowledge and tools for A. Communicating with logical, clear and organized thinking. B. Behaving ethically and professionally in fulfillment of their responsibilities. 2. To provide students with the expertise and confidence to assume leadership positions in technical environment by successfully A. Managing and working in teams. B. Demonstrating problem-solving abilities and rational, effective decision-making. 3. To provide students with extra knowledge in technical expertise, business practices, lifelong learning, social awareness and ethical responsibility. 4. To expose students with a program that fosters professional development and research skills. There are 2 achievement of target. A. Modal. In this group, there are a total of 22 members who have worked hard to ensure that the RY57 car wash program is well organized and successful. To ensure the sustainability of this program, we have agreed that every member will issue capital of 5 ringgit. In addition, we have also received additional capital from our generous lecturers to further increase our capital. B. Profits. From the RY57 car wash event that was held on the 16th of November 2018, the total profits gained from this event was 105 ringgit on the day itself. There are a total of 40 cars and 20 motorcycles that have sent their vehicles to get our service. The teams only charge 5 ringgit for each type of cars and 3 ringgit for every motorbikes that was sent to us. Project started on 1st of October 2018. Task was given to the students of PTT 333. Details of the task were briefly explained by the project's coordinator, Dr. Nurul. First meeting was held on 4th of October 2018 to form a complete organization that involved all 22 members. Job scope for every position were explained to each member of the organization. On the next Thursday, 11th of October 2018, another meeting session was held for suggestions and planning for the project. For the next Thursday of every week, meetings were held to update the project progress, such as status of letter for approval to use facilities and to run the project, generating capital, marketing strategy and discussion on equipment to be purchased. The event was held on 16th of November 2018 and evaluation and post-mortem is held on the day after. Details of the event's timeline will be described in the next subtopic of this section. Event tentative. The car wash event was held in one day only, which started from 9 in the morning until 5:30 evening. The activity was separated into 2 sessions, including the morning session and the evening session. The first session started from 9 in the morning until 12 noon, while the second session started from 2:30 in the evening until 5:30 in the evening. 8:30 in the morning is for a preparation for all tools. 9:00 in the morning for car wash activity for a session 1. At 12 in the noon all members got a lunch. At 2:30 afternoon car wash activity for session 2. Lastly, at 5:30 in the evening for group post-mortem. There are several problem analysis have been done. The problems that has been analyzed for the car wash project are divided into 3 main problems, which is in the scope of location, cost and facility. In terms of location, the car wash service is quite difficult to find. Uniciti Alam does not have a specific area that provides the car wash service for student and staff need to go a little bit far from Uniciti Alam to get car wash service. Lastly, in terms of facilities, Uniciti Alam is lacking of equipment, water facilities and suitable location for student to wash their vehicle. Uniciti Alam does not provide suitable parking area that equipped with water pipe and equipment such as water jet for the student to wash their car. In order to solve all of these problems, there is a need why the car wash service been managed for the society, especially for the student and staff of Uniciti Alam. We use water jet pump to control water pressure directed to the cars and motorcycle. We use sponge to clean the car body and pail to store water. We also use hose pipe to distribute water from the main pipe to the water jet pump. We use a car wash soap to use as cleaning agent during the washing session. Tire brush was used to clean the rim and wheel. Microfiber towel was used to wipe and dry off cars and motorcycle after washing session. This is an organization chart that involves for this event. Department involved for this event are Department of Mechanical Engineering Technology, University Malaysia Perlis Holding Trading, Uniciti Alam Residential College, Development Department and Security Department, University Malaysia Perlis. The venue of the car wash event takes place at Uniciti Alam campus of University Malaysia Perlis at the car park between S4 building and A4 block of students resident. Precisely, it is located in front of the Atiqah M1 at the S4 building that near to the guardhouse. Car and motor are lined up at the car park in front of the Atiqah M1 according to the turn to be washed, and then the vehicles is take to the other car park for drying. This is to ensure the flow of the event going smooth. The source of water is available at the venue, which is in front of the Atiqah M1. Based on the graph above, there are total number of car based on time operation. Most of car come at time 2:30 until 3:30 in the evening, which is after Friday prayer. Most of car come at the start of the operation car wash, which is at time 9 in the morning and 2:30 afternoon. From the survey, the price that offer for each motorcycle and car are suitable and liked by the all customers due to low price but with a good service, with using a water jet to make sure the washing process is clean and fast. The price is lower than outside service due to limited facilities. The graph above shows the satisfaction of customer about our service. Did it satisfy our customer or not? Customer of our car wash event includes staff and student University Malaysia Perlis. Overall evaluation from our customer said they are satisfied with our event and give some tips based on our service, which is give extra price due to service is fast and all this are very sociable to each our customer and make it comfortable during a service. For benefits of events, car wash event helps students to manage their income wisely. Students started practicing the importance of financial control from the stage of buying all the equipment needed for the car wash event, finding the suitable location and water supply, until the final step that is distributing the income collected evenly to the whole team member. Other than that, this event also creates good communication skills and team building between members of group. Team members also learned to manage time wisely since customers came at random times. Good relationship between customers also is created at the times the event was held. The cost analysis for the car wash event was divided into 4 parts. It was include estimate sales, expenses, cost analysis for car wash event and also the income of the event. The estimated sales was the backbone of the business plan. People measure a business and its growth by sales, and the estimate sales sets the standard for expenses, profits and growth. To begin our one-day business plan, which is organizing a car wash event, each of us come out with a fund of 5 ringgit to start up the event. The startup model is estimated around 110 ringgit including the tools and equipment. Hence, the price for car wash was set to be 5 ringgit and 3 ringgit for motorcycle washington. It was estimated 20 cars and 20 motor in 8 hours. Therefore, the estimated sales per day for the car wash event was 160 ringgit. The venue for the car wash event that held at front area of the Studio S4 block was very large. The venue also has prepared the water supply for the car wash. Besides, the venue no need to pay the rental fee to UniMAP Holdings, just pay the water supply fee about 10 ringgit then can use in 8 hours. It was save much cost from the 2 things. But before that it needs to submit the approval form to get approved by the relevant authority, then just can run the event on that day. Before start the car wash event, the estimation cost was listed out to make sure the event was smooth and the equipment and the facilities was important in this event. Thus the quantity of tools was listed out and make sure the quantity was enough for 22 person to use. Luckily, the water hose pipe was borrowed from the staff UniMAP. Then, there are 5 pails were prepared by team members. The last main equipment, water jet pump was prepared by our team member, Ain Sophia. By using water jet pump wash the car and the motorcycle can save time and can increase the efficiency of work. The conclusion is, the car wash business plans is to achieve its prospective customer base, the executive team strengths and vision, an overview of anticipated financials that is profit and loss statements, and cash flows. To close, it should be rounded off with its objectives and mission. First impressions count, especially if there is a short time frame within which to sway the audience with the business plan. That's why the business plan executive summary is the first section of the document. Car wash business plan is to help open the doors to strategic scenarios such as partnerships, joint ventures, funding, etc. The people at its receiving end are busy individuals who are quick to recognize potential and know exactly the key information they need for in their decision making. Our operation will incorporate the newest and the most technologically advanced wash equipment in the industry. This will enable us to provide our customers with the best possible service at the best possible price. It will also allow us to ensure that the environmental concerns of the community are respected and acted upon. Additionally, we believe the strongest point in our business is our management team. Both owners possess vast knowledge, gained from operational, budgetary, and personnel experience, from which to direct the business and provide for outstanding customer service. The selection of the location with high visibility and lots of passing traffic. It is also a great idea to have a traffic management plan which includes speed limits and traffic marshals. Besides, car wash program also help to organize the washers into teams, and making it a competition for the most cars washed in a day can add a bit of fun and help everyone to stay motivated. We are determined to establish a business known for its high-quality service at a reasonable price. We see ourselves playing an important part in community activities.
Angels sent from up above, you know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to lift me up. Life is a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be my user. When I was